you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm a one-less
This is
man.
why. This is why we could never get along. You always contradict me, Sirius.
Wait, whoa.
What?
I'm here, Sirius, I'm here. Okay.
What? What are you doing here?
Oh, I barely had time to tie this tie. Okay, I'm here to save you. Harry Potter is here, no need to worry. Oh, thank God, Harry, you're here. Ha! Bellatrix in your face. Who's gonna die now? Not this guy, huh? Who's got 2 thumbs in his life? Me? Yeah. Ooh. Ha! I got you, Bellatrix.
It's time for vengeance from the worst cousin ever.
I'm fighting it out!
You killed him. You're sick.
He ran, and I...
You. Why did you just do that?
Every time I point it, someone dies.
Okay, this doesn't leave the room. Okay,
Yeah.
I killed him. You cry. Okay, I killed him.
Ah, you monster!
Honestly, you're fucking sick. You killed your godfather. He was unarmed. I wouldn't even have done that.
No.
Yeah, I know. I killed him. But honestly, you're fucking sick. Keep that, you psycho. Might need you to kill someone later.